Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Set all season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Keyless entry. Heated seats, memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 16,818 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.